Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can plot your research results as a pie chart using Origin Pro. Here, I have a blank Origin book. So let us enter some data into it to plot it as a pie chart. In the first column, I will enter year. In the second column, I will enter the population of tigers. Now let us enter the data here. I will start from 2018, then 2019, 2020, 2022 and 2023. In this column, I will enter the population of tigers as 54, 98, then 110, 175 and 200. Now to plot this data as a pie chart, so click here and select the entire table and then click on this plot. Here you select basic 2D and in that you can click on 3D color pie chart. Here you can see the data is plotted as a pie chart. The years are represented here: 2018, 2019, 2020, 21 and 22, and this chart will give us the percentage of total population in years 2018, 19, 20, 21 and 22. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You can press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Thank you.